we're gonna see how this goes. Could be good, could be bad. We're gonna try it. Hold on. This way, hey, come on. Rosy, Rosy, Rosy.
Thank you.
No problem.
Did you get it?
Ah, you got it. Good catch. Go. Go. And don't let them catch it. Ah! Rosy, Rosy, hey, move. Rosy, leave it. Over there. Go. Good, how are you?
This is amazing.
Thanks.
Hey, I just have a question. Do you
Yeah.
come here often?
This is my first time at this park, actually.
Oh, okay.
We might have to come back a few more times. It's actually a lot more space than what we're used to.
Yeah, for sure. I was just gonna ask, like, what time you usually come around.
Oh.
See my little white dog over here?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
She's a chunker. She does not even run.
That's
This is like the first time I've seen her actually running.
that's actually why I got into it, was to get him to run after he broke a leg.
Yeah.
Like, hey, this way, this way. Rosy, Rosy, Rosy actually grabbed it. Hey, leave it. Hey, Rosy, drop it. Leave it. Good catch. I think that's enough chasing for y'all. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Watch out.